Okay, I bought a couple of we bought a couple solar fountains. Make some kind of bird fountains and maybe a little decoration. And right now we just set this on a round piece cut board here. This is a tray we get at Lowe's, I think it was, for plants. When we water plants, it holds the water, it doesn't leak on the floor. And this is just a little test thing here. It's running off a solar panel right there. And I'm going to show you one of my projects I'm thinking of doing. And I already started another one. Okay, this is one of those trays for pots when you water your plants, trees, whatever. Anyway, buy these at Lowe's, I think it was. And going to use a 5-gallon Harbor Freight bucket. You can usually get these free at times. So every time they get them free, we just go and get some. At least we will now, because I'm gonna make all kind of projects with these. They're free anyway. You just spend the gas. And Dollar Tree, I picked up this. It's called a self-adhesive wall towel. And what I'm thinking of doing, cutting these and see if I can put these around here for a little decoration. Now, what I could do is cut this barrel around here, but I'm not going to do it for now. Right now, I'm going to put it on and see how it works. And it'll just have this band right here. So let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Keep watching. Till next time, later.